Vegans for Cocktails 2.0. Well, we're making a modified whiskey sour.
A vegan modified whiskey sour.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
So today's creation, at which time no animal creatures were consumed.
That's a good thing to know.
Is the modified whiskey sour. Instead of using lemon juice, we're going to use lime juice today. See how it is. So hopefully it'll be good.
Okay, it will be. Okay, so step one.
We're going to get a couple of, well, let's see. Let's start with
No problem.
3/4 of an ounce of lime juice.
Well, Larry!
So we're going to get the lime juice going here now. We're going to go for 3/4 of an ounce. Maybe I'll make a little extra. I'll make a full ounce. And we're going to get an ounce of simple syrup. So we got an ounce of simple syrup, an ounce of lime juice rather than lemon juice because it's the modified. And we're going to do an ounce and a third of, ounce and 2/3, 2 ounces and 2/3, 2 ounces and 2/3 of whiskey.
Like mistake through the goat.
Bourbon, to be precise.
There doesn't any trouble.
There's one.
They'll probably be the other way.
2. About 2/3. That's almost all the bourbon.
Might need a little more butter.
We have a shaker to chill the cocktail.
Okay.
And spice.
I've done it too
So we're
many
going to put the
times.
ingredients in
I
here.
was like, it's not warm. And I went, oh.
And shake. Alright. So one more ingredient. We have to get the maraschino cherry in there for you.
We're waiting for it. It's going to come out here in a minute. I got another bowl.
Ooh, there it is.
Once the,
Now, whatever you do, don't drink this too fast because it'll mess you up.
Okay, slow drink.
Give it a taste. Tell me what you think. Brown this way here so we can get, all right, turn this way. And what do you think? Is it tart?
No, it tastes pretty good.
Yeah? You approve? I approve. That's outstanding.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.